Good morning. This is Teacher Willie. Today we're going to do an geography activity. Let me make this bigger. Okay. We're going to discuss your research in a forum. How are we going to do this? First of all, we're going to go to watch the primary activities video from YouTube again. Okay, the one I provided you, I believe, was on Tuesday. We're going to do a little research and we're going to answer the following questions. What kind of cereal fields do we have here in Chihuahua? What about the livestock? Which varieties do we have here in Chihuahua? And what kind of primary activities do we have here also in Chihuahua? For these questions, I'm going to give you a link for a website, pretty basic website. And you can also consult your parents. You can also ask your parents. At the end, I just want you to make the exercise that you discuss your findings in a forum. Where you're gonna do this? First of all, you're gonna write your answers in the comments section from the video, right there in YouTube, and then you're going to reply to a classmate saying if you agree or disagree with his or her answer, but you're going to justify why. Okay. Here's the video. If you remember the video that I sent you, it is called Primary Activities. On the comments section, you're going to add a public comment. First of all, I already gave my first comment, which has the 3 questions. You can reply to the comment. You can reply it here. And it's going to be the same as for your classmates when you reply their answers. I left an example of these 3 questions. I left 3 examples of answers. Says one for the question number 1 in Chihuahua, we have corn. The livestock that we have here in Chihuahua are the Chihuahua dogs. And for question number 3, one primary activity is fishing. You can write your answers and then you hit reply. Obviously, not all the answers are going to be okay. That's not a problem. There are not completely right answers, okay? This is an exercise also for you to consult other materials, books, or even your parents. They can also help you do that. If you don't agree with the answer of one of your classmates, I want you to reply it back and say, why don't you agree? You can just hit the reply button like it is shown here. And then you start answering very politely why you agree or you disagree. For example, in the first one, I made an example that I agree with answer number 1. We have corn in Chihuahua, but we have more of, I don't know, maybe you can add another type of crop for a cereal field. As in example number 2, I am not sure about your answer for number 2 because Chihuahua dogs are not considered livestock, okay? As for question number 3, we do have some fishing in places where there are dams, but that's in a very low quantity, okay? Here I'm giving my justification. Yes, we do some fishing, but that's obviously very minimal. Okay, so I want you to answer in that way to your classmates, besides giving your own answer about these 3 questions, okay? I left, I'm gonna leave a link that you can consult possible answers for the 3 questions. It's in Wikipedia, very simple. I just want you to do the exercise and Try to see if you can get something else from another source. Okay, for example, this is a pretty basic, so you can get some answers from here. Here are the links that you can consult the Wikipedia for Chihuahua state and economy. And here is the link for the YouTube video. You can ask your parents and watch the video 2 or 3 times until you understand about the primary activities. Okay, so that'll be all for today. That's our assignment for geography. See you kids soon.